The MSI MAG 321 UPX QD-OLED is one of those monitors that instantly redefines expectations. At 32 inches with a 4K UHD resolution, it combines Quantum Dot and OLED technology for colors that are strikingly vibrant and blacks that are genuinely deep. The level of detail you get from this display is remarkable. Every highlight pops, every shadow holds detail, and the contrast between light and dark areas is almost cinematic. For both gaming and content creation, this is the kind of monitor that makes everything look alive. Performance is where this monitor really shines. With a lightning-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time and a 240 Hz refresh rate, motion feels fluid and instantaneous. Fast-paced games like first-person shooters or racing titles benefit the most, as each frame is crisp, and ghosting or motion blur is nearly non-existent. But it's not just competitive gaming where this monitor excels. Even cinematic AAA games benefit from the combination of high refresh rates, HDR, and OLED's true blacks, making visuals immersive and lifelike. HDR support is impressive. The True Black HDR 400 ensures that bright and dark elements maintain their depth and detail without washing out the picture. Combined with Quantum Dot technology, the result is colors that are rich, accurate, and strikingly natural. Whether you are watching movies, editing videos, or playing visually stunning games, the experience is engaging and premium. Connectivity options are versatile. HDMI, DisplayPort, and a 15W USB Type-C port provide flexibility for multiple setups. The USB-C port is particularly useful for connecting laptops and other devices, offering display output and power simultaneously. It's ideal for creators who need a clean workspace or gamers looking to simplify their setup. Ergonomics are thoughtfully considered. The monitor stand allows height adjustment, tilt, and swivel, providing comfort for long sessions. Its sleek, minimalist design with thin bezels ensures it fits seamlessly into any desk setup without drawing attention away from the screen. For anyone spending hours in front of it, these adjustments make a real difference in comfort and usability. The monitor's on-screen display software gives full control over presets and customization. Gaming profiles, color adjustments, and display calibration options are easy to access and apply. This flexibility is particularly valuable for gamers switching between fast-paced competitive play and immersive single-player adventures, or for creators needing color precision. OLED panels are often associated with burn-in risks, but MSI has addressed this concern with advanced technology to minimize potential issues. The result is all the benefits of OLED perfect blacks, vibrant colors, fast response, without the usual drawbacks. It's an OLED experience optimized for gaming, productivity, and media consumption. In practical use, the MSI MAG 321 UPX QD-OLED handles everything. Competitive gaming feels instantaneous thanks to the rapid response time and 240 Hz refresh. AAA titles feel cinematic with HDR and color depth. The combination of Quantum Dot OLED technology, high refresh rates, and versatile connectivity makes this monitor a top-tier choice. Eye comfort features like flicker-free technology and low blue light mode further enhance its usability for long gaming or work sessions. Overall, this monitor is designed to impress. From high-end gaming to content creation, its combination of speed, color accuracy, HDR performance, and ergonomic design makes it a complete package. It's ideal for anyone ready to upgrade from standard monitors or IPS panels, and who wants a display capable of delivering professional quality visuals and performance. If upgrading your setup is on your mind, this monitor is worth exploring. For purchasing details and more specifications, check the link provided in the description below. Experiencing it firsthand makes a difference, and for those looking to elevate both gaming and creative workflows, this monitor sets a high bar.